I wanted to talk about the hinge drill. We perform this drill at a lot of practices, and the drill is just moving, hinging forward and sitting up, hinging forward and sitting up. And we want to move the canoe both when we hinge forward as well as when we sit up. Now, how do you do that? Well, I've already explained in a previous video, hinging forward, getting off your butt, shifting your weight onto your feet, and causing the canoe to go forward. Okay? But how do you make the canoe go forward when you're sitting back? Okay? Well, you're using your back as a lever against your hips to shoot those hips forward onto the heels of your feet. So you're shifting that weight, that force, onto your feet, pushing the boat forward. So if I'm in this position, then I'm leveraging my back, sitting up straight, pushing on my heels forward. Transferring your weight to your feet as you hinge forward, and then as you sit up, leveraging your hips with your back, shooting them forward. So it's just another tip for you. I hope you found this instructional. Thank you.